Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to Andaman. It's 7:45 right now, and our flight is at 11 o'clock. So we gotta leave now. So yeah, before that I'll have my breakfast and then we'll leave. We'll go to the airport, hop onto the flight, and reach Port Blair. Yay! Okay. Okay guys, so we have reached the airport, Bangalore airport, and we have done everything's done, so we have to go towards our gate numbers, and we're just waiting till then. Let me give a quick outfit. Yeah, see? And yeah, that's my mom. Amma, hi. Guys, look at my mom. She's enjoying reading the paper out here. Like, we have come to the airport. She has to look around, but she's still reading the newspaper. Just see. She has no idea that I'm recording. Like, wow. Okay, so guys, we're in the plane and it's midway in the air, and I'll show you the outside view. It's just water, nothing else. See? Just water. No. Okay, so they gave something to eat also, which I don't like. Something. I'll show. Ow. Ew. Guys, just look at the outside view. Oh god. Okay, so guys, we have landed and look at the airport. It's so quiet, silent. Nothing like the Bangalore airport, man. Just look how calm it is. It's so good. Waiting for our luggage, and then later on we'll go to our hotel room and check in. So yeah, outside view, the inside plants and all. It's so good. See, these are the inside plants. Oh my god, it's so aesthetic. Hee hee. So we reached our hotel, we checked in, we had our food, everything's done, and now we're changed also. And we're going to the flag point. Yeah, that's it. The name is. Okay, so we have reached the flag point, and I'll show you the flag. Yeah, it's very above. Even we couldn't recognize or get to know that there was a flag above us. And yeah, this is like right beside the beach. So I'll show you the beach. Hello doggy. Hi. Oi. Hi. Aww. We have come to a park, Marina Park, which is right next to the flag point, and here there's some statue. Yeah, Subhash Chandra Bose statue, and then there's some things over here also, like here, and it's just like a park. They have kind of gym kind of stuff also here. There's a seating area over here, and we can sit and enjoy the beach, ocean, sea. Yeah. We're just walking past, and then we saw this thing. It's a place for the kids to learn traffic rules. It's like a park. It's Center for Traffic Education and Simulation, where these kids are given cycles, and there are like red lights and all stuff. Of course, I'm not going inside. I'm not a kid anymore. So yeah, that's how these kids learn traffic rules out here. Okay, so guys, it's the next day, and it's only 6 o'clock right now, and just look at the outside there. See, it's just 6 o'clock right now and look at the outside. It feels like it's 8 or 9 a.m. morning. Yeah, morning. The sun has come out. Already like 7:30 when we woke up at 5:30. So yeah, I just woke up, so good. Okay guys, so we are ready. Everyone's ready. We had our breakfast, everything, and we are going to we'll be going to Havelock Islands by a ferry. It's gonna take around 2 hours, 2.5 hours or something. And yeah, this is my friend. Also, I got to know one thing. Port Blair is now called Sri Vijayapuram, not Port Blair. Yeah. But my eyeliner. Oh. I know I'm slaying. Okay guys, we have started. Look. It's moving. There's another ferry too.
Ferry allado. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಕ್ರೂಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆದು.
ಓಕೆ. We're just going and then they gave something. It's sketch pens and a coloring book. I'll show. This awesome coloring book belongs to Alright. Finally reached. It was an AC ferry. The journey was about 1 hour 45 minutes, like 2 hours. It was good. Last at the end I was sleeping. Yeah, that's why I was. Okay, so we have reached Havelock Islands and then done with the checking and stuff. I mean, checking is going on. So till then I'll show you the hotel view. It's just like like these trees and all. Yeah, it reminds me of my native. And just so calm, peace. We have arrived at our room. Last hotel, I forgot to show the room, give a room tour, but yeah, today I'll do. This is our room. Yeah. Oh, mirror. Yeah. Okay, so guys, we're going towards the beach, which is like right next to right in front of our hotel room. So we'll be going there. We'll just go walk and all stuff, and then go to the nearby restaurant, have food, and yeah, and come back, and then later on again go do some sports. My mom forcefully made me wear this cap, which doesn't match this dress also. It's so hot, very very hot. This is the beach. There's a really nice decoration and all. Have candlelight dinner and all. I'm literally sweating. Yeah, so it's like our hotel is right over there and then the beach is right over here. So we're not gonna get inside the water right now because I'm not dressed like that. So we'll just go walk. Then later on, probably evening, we'll go for water sports and all. Or maybe tomorrow. This beach, oh my god, it's so good. The water here, it's very clean. The surroundings and all, it's very clean, calm, peace, less crowded compared to Goa. And oh, there's a swing hole. Amma, hi, hello. Oh, Dishanta. Really nice place. We've come back to our hotel room after having food and just look at the sun. So bright, I can't even open my eyes. Such an amazing view. Really so hot out here. It's around 30-32 degrees outside. So yeah, I was inside. Okay, so guys, we are going to Radhanagar beach right now. Going there to enjoying. Yeah, our cab has come. So guys, we've come to the beach which is right in front of our hotel, and oh my god, my voice is echoing. So there's no light, there's like candlelight dinner and all is arranged for us, not for us of course. So yeah, I'm actually inside a heart. Crazy, right? They have lights and all. I'll show you, it's so good. We just came to see the view and all, lights and all, how it is and all stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay guys, so we have come to the beach, and yeah, look at the beach. Morning when we had come, there were no tides at all, like waves were not coming only, but here just look at the tides. It's so high at this point. The water has come till here, and dinner and all is happening over here, candlelight dinner, decoration and all stuff. So yeah. It's 5:20 in the morning, and the sunrise is going to happen in a couple of minutes. So we have come to the beach. The tides are a bit low now. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy though. The sunrise has already happened. It's 5:30, as you can see. It's 9:45 right now, and we are all ready to go to the Elephant Beach. I'll show my fit. This is what I'm wearing. I hope you guys see it. No power, so no lights. So we'll be going to the Elephant Beach and the Turtle Bay. There are no activities in Turtle Bay which we are going to be doing. So we'll go to Elephant Beach, and then we'll be doing a sea scooter plus parasailing. I missed parasailing twice in Goa, so this time I had to do it. Yeah. Okay, so we're sitting in the cruise, and it's a really amazing cruise. I'll show you the view from here. Such an amazing view of the water. Down there's this boat, probably a speedboat, which is tied to this cruise. Probably we'll be going from that boat only, like to do water sports and all stuff. Yeah, and this is the kitchen. From here also you can sit and watch the sea. Under the kitchen there is this place where you can do submarine view. We thought of taking that, but then we ended up taking the scooter thing, which is the same thing. So yeah, I can't go down there and show because I can't. Okay, so we've reached the turtle point. We're actually standing in the water. Yeah. Just look at the water, it's so clear, clean, and and over there people are doing parasailing and all stuff. Yeah, that's the beach. I tied up my hair because it was extremely windy. Parasailing done. It was really amazing. So basically, there'll be something like this, and there'll be something like this, and then here the scooters will be there, and they'll take you down. It'll be really amazing. They clicked our pictures also, and I don't know, something's happening in my ears and all. It was really amazing actually, and our cruise, and we gotta go. It was really amazing though. I was a bit scared. I touched few of the plants out there and fishes also. It was like, so we have come back to the hotel, and we took rest for a while. Now we are going to the beach, which is in front of our hotel again, just to go sit and all. And there's this dog following us. The sunset's already done. Low tides again. Comparatively, it's a bit more, but yeah. Looking at my face, you can get to know I'm extremely exhausted. The sea scooter was very tiring. You won't believe it's only 6:15 right now, and look how dark it is. It's like 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. It's like really dark. We're still in the beach. Nino batte? Howdu? Batte, ba. Ba French fries koti ba. Ba. Batilyo. Howdu? Very bad. Alright, good morning guys. It's the next day. We're all ready. And breakfast, everything's done. We'll be going to the Neil Island by a ferry. And it's around at 11:45 or so, the ferry timing. And it's still 8:45. We still have a lot of time. Checkout is almost done, so we are waiting outside. It's so hot. Yeah, guys, we have come to a place where all these ships of this island, Havelock Island, are parked, and all like cruises. If we have to go to Neil Island or back to Port Blair, it's called Jetty. It's a harbor where all the ships, cruises and all are parked. There are like hundreds of them I can see. It's a really great place, but it's so hot. I'll show you. All the speed boats, if you have to go to the Elephant Beach and all. Here the cars are being taken away by cruises, and yeah, that's where the cruises are parked, ferries, because it's big, right? So guys, we have reached the Neil Islands. We did the check-in, everything, and I was supposed to vlog, but yeah, I was sleeping till now. My parents just scolded me, and then they got me here. We have come here for lunch, and after lunch we'll be doing some water sports and all in the beach. It's really, really, really hot. Yeah. Water over here, it's really clean. It's actually kind of a green in color, like light green, light blue and all. Corals and all are visible. There are a lot of dogs out here, cute dogs. Hi, hello. Aww. Hi doggy. Hello. Something has happened to its eyes. Papa. Okay, so guys, we're in the boat, and These are the corals. Yesterday when we had been to the sea scooter, we were actually inside and we touched all these things and all. It was very soft and all. Yeah, these are the corals. Guys, this is a pani ka keeda, which is a water insect. It's moving if you observe. Guys, these are the dead corals, which is all over this beach. Here also. These are the dead corals. You can actually walk on it. If you guys visit Neil Island, don't miss this experience of a water glass boat where these corals and all, which when we go to the scuba diving, which I went for sea scooter yesterday, we touched all these things and all inside. If you guys don't want to get wet but still see these corals, you can do this activity. It was really amazing, so awesome. All different kinds of fish, the habitat down there and all. It was really amazing. We literally enjoyed it. The best time to see these corals is when the sun comes out, like at around evening time, like 2-3, when the sun is really bright. The corals are more visible. To the natural bridge, I'll show you. It looks like this. We have taken a guide also. They'll give us the information like about the coral, starfish and all stuff. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like Keechad, but it's actually dead corals. We're walking over it. Finger coral. They are live. They're not dead. High tides are coming. They're entering. They have started entering. It's called cone shell.
साइंटिफिक नेम है कौन से ठीक है जाएगा तो फिर
स्टारफिश
छिपकली का पूंछ जैसा है मैम इसका पैर कट जाएगा तो फिर से रीग्रो होता है इसका बोन आईज एंड ब्लड नहीं है पैर का जो सेंस होता है उसी के हिसाब से मूवमेंट करता है
नहीं वो हमेशा अंदर गाइस दिस इज द नेचुरल ब्रिज फ्रॉम नियर या and this is the sea. Tides are getting higher now. At night time the water is going to be filled out here, like it's going to be till that level. We have come to the Lakshman beach for a sunset view. It's really crowded out here. Everyone's waiting to watch the sunset, but it's cloudy. Now we are going outside to have dinner. It's still 7:15. It's too dark. Alright guys, good morning. It's the next day. We woke up, got ready, everything's done. We had our breakfast also. Now we need to check out and go back to Port Blair. We are going to the temple right now as it's Yugadi today. There was a temple like near to our hotel, so we are going there. Guys, we're sitting in the ferry and this is our seats. There's a lot of space over here beside my seat and enjoy my chips till then. You guys remember yesterday we had been to a beach to see the corals and all. That beach is this. If you can see, it's covered with water. Covered by water. Corals are not seen. The tides are a bit high now. Okay, we reached Port Blair and now we are going to Cellular Jail. We had been to Cellular Jail the first day when we came, but we couldn't see the jail. We only went for this slide show. So today we are going to Cellular Jail. Before that we'll have food and then we'll go. We have finally reached the Cellular Jail. This is a museum. This is the jail. And this is where the lighting show happened, and we were sitting here. Show over here, it was really crazy, man. Jail is built in such a way that the prisoners in this jail cannot communicate with the other prisoners in that jail. These are the jails. We'll go inside one jail if it's open. Yeah. There's a small window like thing over here, there, and a small space over here also. And this is the size of the jail. This is the jail of Veer Savarkar.
9 to 10 years.
We're at the watchtower, and this is the view from here. You can see the sea. Alright guys, I just realized today it's the last day. We're gonna be staying here in Andaman. Tomorrow we have our flight. We're going back to Bangalore. We have finally reached the airport. Now we have to go to the check-in. This is the Andaman airport from inside. I mean Port Blair. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands map, and this is where we are, South Andaman, and that's the Indira Point, the southernmost point of India, and Nicobar Islands. Yeah, this is where we are, this is where we were day before yesterday, and this is where we were yesterday. Unexpectedly, there is a cricketer, I mean a league player sitting over there, Dishant saw, and yeah. Surprisingly, that cricketer is also in our flight. Alright guys, finally we have landed in Bangalore.